Police say this couple had no idea they were being secretly recorded in their Airbnb rental, a camera hidden inside a smoke detector looking down on their bed and now looking at their confused faces. The Florida couple renting the home from this man, 56-year-old Wayne Nat, advertises the nice large townhouse in Longboat Key.
After 27 years in prison, I met some strange people. That's why when I go to hotels, Airbnbs or anywhere, I take one of these and I just scan. I scan my hotel rooms, I scan the Airbnbs, I scan my car. Sometimes we think it's the strangers that's out there spying, but sometimes it's them very ones that's close to you. I scan any area that I'm in because this little thing right here, it's going to pick up any type of camera, any type of listening device, somebody spying on you. Oh, it's going to pick it up. If you want one of these, get it right here.